Alright, we're recording the sewer line here today at 7716 19th Avenue Northwest. The date is March 18th, 2021. I'm making this recording following some excavation and pipe repair work Bob Oates performed out here yesterday. We were able to get the camera to the main city sewer line now. We're going to pull back from there into the cleanout that was installed yesterday. We're going to get a look at this line. According to the Seattle City Sewer map, this is a shared sewer line between 7716 and the house directly to the south. As we pull back from the line, we'll see if that matches with what I'm looking at. So, coming back from the city main there's the city stub and clay. We're now back in 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line. So we are coming back from under the middle of the street out on 19th, coming back towards the sidewalk now. We got a small hole in the bottom of the pipe there, approximately 32 feet back from the main. Looks like either a broken section of pipe or there's a connection at that point. We'll keep coming back. I know there's a couple of connections. And we're going to come back around the corner here. We're going to go test those front downspouts, see if those are connections. But we're coming back around the corner here now at the southeast corner of the home. It looks like we've got, we'll call it 86 feet from the main back to this point. You're going to see on the left side of the pipe there's a tie-in. That is the neighboring home connection from either a downspout or their main sewer connection. We could do a little testing to find more out there. There's also a hole on the right side of the pipe. If you see the far right side of the screen, so it appears to be a hole in the side of the pipe there, allowing roots and sewage to come in. We're going to come back around this corner, and we should come back into 4-inch diameter pipe here. I'm going to zero out our footage. You can see this corner is pretty mangled. This needs to be dug up and replaced. Unfortunately, it's directly under the corner of the fence. So we dug a hole pretty close to the corner of the fence right here and installed this new small chunk of PVC, and it comes back into the old clay or concrete here again, where you have a hole in the left side of the pipe. crack in the seam there. So about, we'll call it 17, 18 feet worth of 4-inch diameter pipe before we come back up into the clean out and newly installed pipe here. I'm going to end the recording there.